Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are talking about top 5 technology gadgets. But before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more. With so many new products launching every year, it's challenging to stay up to date with the fast-moving tech world. Luckily for you, that is where we step in. We're always testing new electronic gadgets, investigating new tech trends, and upgrading our list of the coolest high-tech gadgets. We believe that the purpose of electronic gadgets is to make life fun and easy. We look at new product launches from prominent manufacturers and a variety of coolest high-tech gadgets, as well as our longtime favorites to see if they still cut it. Number 5. GoCycle G4 Electric Bike. The GoCycle G4 electric bike is truly among the coolest high-tech gadgets for the year 2023. The groundbreaking GoCycle G4 is a premium electric bike that folds up rapidly. Inside, you'll discover a powerful engine and an app that allows you to design the bike remotely, monitor your speed, how much battery you've got left, and more. This bike works brilliantly on motorways, grass, and other strange terrains because of its traction control features. Number 6. Skydio 2 Plus. There are several drones available, each with a somewhat distinct offering. Skydio's 2 Plus is one of the coolest high-tech gadgets that allow users to map paths and program camera movements. Unlike other electronic gadgets, Skydio's goal with this function is to allow everyone the opportunity to get flawless drone shots without much experience needed. You may even utilize this capability to record yourself executing something if you don't have anybody to pilot it for you. Number 3. EvoShaver, world's smallest travel shaver. The EvoShaver is regarded as one of the coolest high-tech gadgets for men. This device is ideal for people who are constantly on the move. Imagine the annoyance of not maintaining a nice face after traveling for a job, meeting, or anything. Carrying a razor is particularly inconvenient, not only because of its size but also because of the difficulty of lugging its charger. Meet the EvoShaver, a travel shaver that charges through USB. It is known as the world's tiniest shaver. Number 1. Razer Project Sophia. A desk with embedded modular components, Razer's new cutting-edge Project Sophia PC concept would allow users to swap parts in modules like displays, USB hubs, or wireless chargers. It's not the first time the company's tried to make the PC more modular. Last year, it showed off a more practical design using Intel's miniature UC, essentially a tiny CPU and motherboard combo. And its 2014 PC concept, Project Pristine, gave us a glimpse at a possible PC future that made upgrading major components as easy as changing a roll of toilet paper. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.